Hello there, welcome to QlikView Set Analysis course. Let's begin with introduction. My name is Shilpan Patel. I'm part of the Qlik Dev Group leadership team, and I have a blog, learnQlikView.com. I'm passionate about Qlik, and I have taught QlikView to thousands of students on Udemy. My co-instructor is Deepak Waditala. He's a Qlik luminary, and he has a blog, QlikShare.com. He is a co-founder of Qlik Dev Group, and of course, a Udemy instructor, and passionate about Qlik, JavaScript, Python, and D3. Just to give you an idea, we have some of the best-selling QlikView courses on Udemy, including Server and Publisher, Designer, and Developer. Now, why do you want to learn set analysis? Well, set analysis is one of the most powerful advanced aggregation functionality in QlikView or Qlik Sense. But for new Qlik Sense or QlikView developer, the syntax is quite overwhelming because often it contains multiple curly braces and angle bracket to make it difficult to read and understand. Overwhelming, right? It's a tall order to learn and master set analysis, almost as if climbing a mountain. But worry not. We'll slice it down to easier and fun to learn, even if you've never climbed the mountain before. Just the metaphor. But to put in proper perspective, we have over 60 lessons to teach you every aspect of set analysis so that you can master set analysis. Now let's look at the structure of the course. Well, we always begin with conceptual overview and practical explanation. Then we'll explain the challenge that you're expected to solve, as we believe that you learn by doing. We'll follow up with a solution and teach you how to do it. And we also have a quiz after every chapter that will test the level of your knowledge. And last but not least, you'll be invited to be part of our vibrant student community so that you can interact with other students and learn from each other. Even though this course is designed for QlikView, all the concepts that you will learn from this course can equally be applicable to Qlik Sense, since set analysis works seamlessly between QlikView and Qlik Sense. This course also comes with lifetime access to 60+ lessons that we have, and we intend to keep adding more lessons in the future. This course also comes with 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions whatsoever. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and begin your journey to master set analysis in QlikView and Qlik Sense. I'll see you in the course. Thank you very much.